a
Arby's Mukbang.
because we had a coupon because we're cheap.
Yeah, but we got 4 fries, some jalapeno poppers, 4 sliders,
Fries.
yeah, and 2 sandwiches, and a Reuben, all for $16 even.
Oh my god! I hope you take some of this to work with you because I didn't realize we had 4 fries.
Yeah,
I think I like these fries.
and I love the Arby's sauce. And I had them put them on the onion buns for us too.
Oh yay! Honestly, I love the horsey
I
sauce.
did too.
And I haven't tried these sliders before.
Now I got 2 jalapeno sliders for us to try, and
2 pepperoni or something.
2 pizza ones.
Sound good. I heard the pizza ones were good. So.
I figured it would be better than just a regular plain old.
Mmm. I didn't eat no breakfast this morning, so. Yeah. And Tara got me some of my favorite beer on closeout.
Yeah, I did.
Yay. I'm so happy. Because they discontinued my black cherry beer. I can't get it no more.
No. The way the man sounded at the store, like they were discontinuing all of it, including the apple kind.
What?
Yeah, that's what I was like. I don't
He
know.
said that's bull. I thought that was been around for so long.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I can always go to the hard cider brand. What is that called?
Angry Orchard.
Yeah. I mean, I don't like it, but I mean, I don't like it as well. Let's put it that way.
Mm. What is it?
It's on my sandwich. I don't know. Piece of burnt meat. They're trying to kill me. I'll take it back in the middle. What is this? The hard edge off the recipe. Just about to take it off. I'm gonna try popping now. The fries are good as predicted. Not good. Not as good as the one you get from work. You know the one I'm talking about.
We have bacon wrapped jalapenos poppers at work. That are
This
bomb.
thing are so good. It's an extra jalapeno filled with cream cheese wrapped in bacon. I cannot describe to you how good those things are.
It's so good.
I'll probably be doing an Animal Crossing video today because, well, for one thing, I'm excited about Animal Crossing. So I've been on new leaf because I'm just like on Animal Crossing right now. I'm gonna get a new hairdo today. So we're gonna go to the hairdresser. I know you think I'm so stupid. Animal Crossing is so good, man. I'm gonna go to the hairdresser and do a new random hair thing. Do you know if you don't play Animal Crossing for a long time and you get back on, you have bedhead and you have cockroaches in your and you have to kill them.
Oh, I love it.
I love Animal Crossing, man. I used to let Asia get on it, and she just liked to go in my house and kill the cockroaches. She said, I'm gonna kill the bugs, I'm gonna kill the bugs. I said, okay, go ahead. And she'd run around, stomp them, and the little spirits of the cockroaches will go up in the air.
That's funny.
Animal Crossing's great. Maybe Saturday I'll do a video. I'll go to the club and listen to KK Ryder sing. Did you see the, well, you don't really care about Animal Crossing, but they did a direct on, I think it was last Thursday, and it showed like 20 minutes of gameplay. It looks so good. Hot. Hot, Brian. Tara likes Call of Duty.
Oh, I love me some Call of Duty. I'm gonna try this jalapeno one.
Okay. You need to get Call of Duty and play it on Xbox, and you know, I'll take you playing it or something. Because Might as well. I like to kill people.
On the game.
I like to kill people on the game. It's just you can't kill people on Animal Crossing. Animal Crossing is relaxing in a different way. Animal Crossing is like peaceful. Even though you're honestly doing the same thing you do in real life. You're paying a mortgage, you're upgrading your house, being able to buy new outfits. But you do it by selling fruit and fishing. So, it's relaxing. And catching bugs. See? So, I mean, it's like relaxing work.
It's not hard work.
How's that one?
That's okay.
Not great?
That's not great. It just tastes like roast beef.
Well, people always make fun of Arby's anyway. I don't know. Arby's gets a bad rap. I think Arby's okay. Like, I eat it every once in a while. But it's okay. I like the sauce, though. It's hot.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that sauce is...
Oh, you've been into the jalapeno.
Whoa! That sauce is like almost too hot. Because I like hot food, but that like burnt me up. Did that burn you up? I must got a big old thing of it. Because you know, you fix hot food all the time.
Yeah.
That right there, I must have got a big old jalapeno or something.
Try the pickle.
I'm gonna try this one. It smells good. Oh yeah, that's on point. That's about eating a pizza. That's good. I mean, it's best look like a big bite of pizza. I like that. I like the sauce. We have to have this again for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Take some of these fries to work with.
I will. We still got a Reuben.
I don't think that Ruben's going to eat right now. Can you eat more right now? I'm going to try to finish this and that, and I'll be good if I do that. Take a slide to work with and some fries. Keith would be like, why'd y'all put it on that?
No, look, give me one.
Well, Keith's here, he'd help us eat this.
Yeah.
He always says that way. He put a killing on them nachos last night.
Yes, he did.
And then got a baked shrimp.
He knows he likes my nachos.
Friday, me and Tara going to Raleigh to see Max, have lunch with him, and probably do some thrifting while we're up there. So whatever we get, we'll do a video when we get back. And we'll probably
You might even do a road trip video.
But I don't know about filming Max because Max is so funny. So probably not.
Probably won't see brother.
Yeah, I mean
He's weird like that.
He's weird like that, and it's fine. So I was taking a Snapchat picture. He said, "You're taking a picture without my permission?" I'm like, "Yeah, kind of."
Oops, my bad.
Hey, I did that to my husband yesterday and sent it to Tara.
Oh, it made me laugh out loud at work.
Imagine her husband with pigtails and buck teeth. It was funny because he was just sitting there. I was like,
Doing his coupons.
when he gets back, he gonna do a coupon haul video. He had to go to Ohio for some reason. Oh, that's what it's from.
Oops.
I try to forget that fact.
Yeah, for real.
Whew. I know, right?
Oh,
I'm at least finish this and this.
I'm gonna try.
Come on, what are y'all buying all that food for? Hey, say that horsey sauce though. I eat that on sandwich and everything else.
I like the horsey sauce.
Me too. Keep always bring about 1 pack. I say, get horsey sauce. Here's Keith, 1 pack.
It's not enough.
I'm like, seriously, dude? No. So how much do you need? A lot. Man, I know, right? Be like teeth stuck in the trash together at Christmas. Get touch bag. We don't have Christmas like that no more, which is kind of sad. Get the trash bag. Put the paper in the trash bag as soon as you rip it. Mm-hmm. I miss my kids being little. Oh, yeah.
Alright, got a little bun and some dried meat.
I'm gonna get the last bite and I'm done, because otherwise, y'all gonna see me passed out somewhere.
I would eat and go to sleep. Especially when I get full. If I snack, I'm
Me and
okay.
you always do that. I'll be like, it's too early to eat, turn. You're like, I'll be fine. So we eat about 5 o'clock, then we're on the couch sleeping, man. And people wonder why I wake up at 2 in the morning. I'm like, let's wait till 7 to eat. At least wait till 7. No, I'll be fine, I'll be fine. Here's Terry.
If we wait till 7, we're good. Because by 9 o'clock, we're coming.
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for watching our little
Arby's mukbang. Thank you.
I wish we could eat more like those professional YouTubers, but honestly, I would pass out and die if I ate that much.
Yeah.
I don't see how they do it.
I gotta go to work later.
Our seafood mukbang is gonna get pushed back a couple of weeks, because of reasons.
Yeah.
Reasons. Mostly because we're broke. So we will do that in a couple weeks from now. And probably look for some video gaming today, and then Saturday I will be uploading our little trip to Raleigh.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe, comment below, because comments help the channel,
Absolutely.
honestly.
And let us know if you want us to try anything or do something.
Yeah. I'm down to do reaction videos. It's just that you have to be so careful with those because of copyright claims. And once you get 2 or 3 copyright claims, they'll shut your channel down.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of weird about doing reaction videos. I don't know how these people do it. Because anytime I've tried a reaction video, as soon as I upload it, it gets copyright claimed. And I do all the things I'm supposed to do. Like I stop the video and talk during the video. So I'm weird about doing reaction videos.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess my channel up.
I don't blame you.
So, you know, maybe if anybody knows how to do a reaction video without getting in trouble by copyright claim, let me know.
Please do.
Because it's like most YouTubers keep that kind of stuff secret. Like they don't
Right.
want you doing it. And I love reacting to new music and stuff.
Yeah.
So, but,
Share the wealth.
but until I know how to do that, I'm not going to do it.
Okay. I'll be on the better safety side.
We'll